Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing Spotify versus Apple Music with sound quality. Let's start with Spotify. Spotify is the most popular music streaming service worldwide, known for its huge music library, smart recommendation, and strong social features. It has become the go-to platform for discovering and sharing music. It has over 100 million tracks available, free tier with ads plus premium subscription, personalized playlists like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and daily mixes, podcast integration directly in the app, and cross-platform support on iOS, Android, desktop, smart speakers, and gaming consoles. It has some social features like sharing playlists and see what friends are listening to. Also, there's offline listening for premium users. But the free version has ads and limited skips, lower audio quality compared to some competitors, and no lossless hi-fi option yet, despite being promised, and they have announced that they are going to include it in the premium subscription. And also, family plan can be more expensive compared to Amazon bundles. Now moving on to Apple Music. Apple Music is Apple's flagship streaming service designed to deliver high-quality audio across devices with a focus on high-resolution formats and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. It has a standard quality of 256 kilobytes AAC and optimized for clarity, lossless audio with up to 24-bit and 48 kHz and up to 24-bit and 192 kHz, which requires external DAC or headphones. Also, it has Dolby Atmos and spatial audio with supported devices, which gives immersive 3D-like listening. All lossless and high-res formats are included at no extra cost. But the high resolution requires special equipment and it's best optimized for Apple devices. Android users may miss features, and streaming high resolution consumes a lot of data and storage. So Apple Music wins for audiophiles. It offers lossless high-res and Dolby Atmos at no extra cost, making it superior in sound quality. And Spotify is fine for casual listeners who prioritize playlist, discovery, and social sharing, but it falls short in audio quality until Spotify Hi-Fi officially launches. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello everyone.